everyone to the 𝘠𝘕𝑒𝑦 Show. My name is Crystal G and I am your licensed beauty educator, and this is your tip of the day. What are the best face cleansers for skin? Did you know that different skin types and even different skin shades require their own unique skincare regimen in order to maintain a beautiful, healthy glow? Since skin can be particularly prone to various types of skin problems, including acne, post-acne scarring, discolorations, dullness, and sensitivity, the very first step of a great skincare regimen will include cleansing on a daily basis, no matter the skin shade or type. Now, while it's easy to find a cleanser in a beauty store, choosing one that's appropriate for you can be challenging. So take time to do your research, because when you wake up in the morning and before you go to bed at night, you'll need a cleanser that works best for you. So make sure you grab one that will really take care of your skin. Whether you have dry, oily, combination, or sensitive skin, there's a perfect face wash out there for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time right here on the 𝘠𝘕𝑒𝑦 Show for your tip of the day.